For many people with an entrepreneurial spirit, the number one reason why they don't pursue their business dreams is because of the significant costs associated with starting a business. However, there are many businesses you can launch today with little or no funding, so long as you are dedicated and put in some good old-fashioned hard work. If you want to start a low-cost business, these 25 ideas will help inspire your entrepreneurial passion. Number 1. Content creation. Social media and the 24-hour news cycle have created the perfect storm of opportunity for creative professionals like writers and graphic designers, who can use their talents to create high-quality, shareable content for businesses and media outlets. Number 2. Personal or virtual assistant. A personal or virtual assistant performs many of those secretarial or front desk functions without being on site. These individuals often work from home for many different clients, keeping track of calendars, making flight arrangements and doing clerical work. Number 3. Event planning services. If you're a highly organized, detail-oriented individual who loves putting parties together, you might have the right personality to launch an event planning business. Working for weddings, birthday parties and class reunions, event planners make it easy for others to host an exciting party. Number 4. Errand or concierge service. Between caring for their children and handling their professional responsibilities, most working parents have very little time to take care of personal errands, like grocery shopping, making returns at the mall, or mailing packages. A driven individual can take care of these time-consuming errands for clients, and free up their days for the important things in life. Number 5. Professional reviewer. Many companies provide products and services to individuals, so they can write a review of the company. They want a good review but, more importantly, an honest one. Number 6. Social media consultant. Larger companies can hire an agency or full-time staff member to run their Facebook and Twitter accounts and blogs, but small businesses often have to take care of their own social media marketing. Number 7. Etsy shop. Etsy is a popular online marketplace that hosts thousands of at-home retailers and larger productions. It's free to join the site and start a shop, though there are 3 selling fees: the listing, transaction and payment processing fees. Number 8. Online courses and tutoring. Create downloadable instructional packets and videos, or schedule real-time Skype lessons with clients. Number 9. Personal chef. You don't necessarily need to have graduated from culinary school, but having some cooking classes under your belt will boost your credibility. While you may have to do some traveling to and from supermarkets and client homes, your customer should cover the cost of ingredients in addition to your service charge. Number 10. Translation service. If you're fluent in a second language, you can find work converting written and spoken words from one language to another. Number 11. Software training. Schedule small group workshops or private sessions, and charge by the hour when giving a full tutorial of the program. Patience and a great personality are critical. Number 12. Music lessons. For the musically gifted, offering lessons to others who want to learn an instrument can be a great source of extra income. Voice lessons can also bring in a lot of money, if you market yourself to local high schools and community theater groups. Number 13. Sustainability consultant. Eco-friendly business solutions are often prohibitively expensive, even for the largest enterprises, and businesses of all sizes are looking for experts to advise them. Sustainability consultants come from a wide variety of backgrounds, from management to engineering, which means practical skills and experience are more important than a specific degree. Number 14. Bookkeeping services. Contrary to popular belief, you don't need to be a certified public accountant to work as a freelance bookkeeper. All you need is a knack for numbers and practical knowledge of basic accounting tasks. Number 15. Digital marketing services. If you have a knack for storytelling and learning, a digital marketing firm is a business you can start quickly and cheaply. Number 16. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is easy and cheap to start, but it takes dedication and a long-term vision to be successful. Essentially, affiliate marketing involves you promoting other companies' products and services, earning a commission on generated leads. Number 17, Online Dating Consultant. If you love connecting people and playing matchmaker, you should consider becoming an online dating consultant. As anyone with multiple online or app dating profiles can tell you, filtering messages and finding interesting people to meet can be a full-time job. Number 18, eBay Seller. An eBay seller is sometimes referred to as an eBay assistant, and the job's primary function is to sell other people's products on eBay for a small commission. When selling on eBay, be overcautious and never share any personal data, such as credit card or banking information. Number 19, Internet Security Consultant. Helping business owners avoid viruses, hackers and scammers can be a very lucrative business, especially if you have the skills to secure sensitive client and customer information. Number 20, Graphic Design. Every company needs visual assets of some kind to brand their business and attract customers. Becoming a freelance graphic designer requires a computer, a design application such as Adobe Illustrator or Canva, and an extensive portfolio of your work. Number 21, Vlogger or Blogger. If you're passionate about one specific topic or field, and love to write or be in front of a camera, consider starting a professional blog or vlog. For a blog, all you need is a computer and website to get started. Number 22, Domain Name Buyer. A domain name buyer or domain broker is someone who purchases domain names. They believe people or businesses will want and tries to sell them for a profit. Number 23, Resume Writer. Not many people are good at writing resumes, and even fewer enjoy writing their own. All you need to become a professional resume writer is a computer. To start, you can sign up for a freelance platform, such as Fiverr or Upwork, and market your services on social media. Number 24, Meal Planner. As a meal planner, your duties would include creating a list of ingredients, writing easy-to-follow recipes, providing nutritional information, developing a budget plan and educating your customers. Number 25, Video Producer. If you have experience as a video producer, a solid portfolio, and the desire to help individuals and businesses create stunning videos, becoming a freelance producer is an excellent career move. From this video we brought you top 25 business ideas with low investments. If you got this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to the video. Don't forget to share this with your friends. Subscribe the channel for more important videos like this. Thanks for watching.